Alright, hey y'all, so today we're back here in the bathroom. Today is just going to be more of a short video because I wanted to show you something really quick. So I'm not going to be working on any of the drywall or mud. Um, I will get to that this week, more likely more this weekend. Just right now, since I put the door back on, it's been sticking down here in the bottom corner. So if you look, that's not good. So you can also see too on the other side that whenever I installed this new wall, that it's right up against the hinges. So it's going to be up to the point where I won't even be able to put a trim piece on that side of the door. But it did push it enough to where that hinge is sticking out a little bit. All right, so what we're going to do to fix this is I actually have an electric hand plane. This is my Bosch. I've had it quite a few many years. It's got dust all over it. It's got all kinds of stuff on it. So we're going to go ahead and get this door popped off the hinge. And then I'm going to trim just a hair off the side of this door here. That way it won't stick no more. Now we'll check it. And just like that, super simple. Yeah, doesn't get any easier than that. And I should be able to put another coat of white paint on that. That way it will seal the wood of that door. And yeah, I'll do that whenever we're painting the rest of this room out. So, like I said, short, simple, how to fix the door from sticking on the edge. And you just take a little bit at a time, stick back up there, check to see if it works. But definitely appreciate y'all for sticking by us. And we'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.